Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Exclusion 5 Bath, Body and More, and also Scents by Tascha. I sell highly concentrated, highly recommended burning oil. Place your tea light candle in your tea light burner, and then next you're going to light your tea light candle. Let your tea light candle warmer warm up for approximately 5 minutes. Today I'm going to be using our mystery scented burning oil. Pour your desired amount of oil into your tea light burner. I had this tea light burner already pre-lit so that you can actually see how the burning oil arises from the tea light warmer. It is a whole room full of joyous aromas. I actually like these little plastic containers I obtained from the Dollar Tree. They are $1.25 and I put my logo on it. Put some cotton balls in it for easy cleanup. This is an easy cleanup. Drop a cotton ball in and let the cotton ball absorb the oil for you. I would like to thank you for tuning in. I am Scents by Tascha. If you would like to make any purchases of highly concentrated, highly recommended burning oils, please click on the link below.